Hi, my name's Brooks, and I'm currently working on putting a digital frequency meter together. There's the schematic and the parts list. It came as a kit. That's so far I've got so far. Got the resistors on and a diode. Then I noticed that the tip on my soldering iron had gone a bit blunt. The very point had broken off, so I pulled out another tip for the soldering iron. Notice how much sharper that tip is. It helps when you're doing very fine soldering like this. So I went and I got my tip, as you saw, to undo that, and I went to undo that screw there with my screwdriver, and it is so firmly fastened that I managed to break the screwdriver blade. Look at that. Just look at it. Broken. Okay. Fortunately, I have another soldering iron. But I think the moral there is, don't bother trying to change the tip on a soldering iron, just get a new flaming soldering iron.